Take you directly right now to Jaipur, where Hema Malini is recuperating, is stable now. However, a young child, a young girl, died in the accident yesterday. The doctors today released the medical bulletin an hour ago. They performed a surgery on her nose last night. The injured actress has the turned politician's oldest daughter, Isha Deol, is with her at the hospital. However, all of this has taken place at a time where a 5-year-old child has died in this accident, a young girl, while her brother, as we speak, is still battling for life in the hospital. Guys, can you...
मैं जो प्रोसीजर आज किया है मैंने वो पिछले 4-5 साल से मैं कर रहा हूँ। वो रूटीन प्रोसीजर है, अंडर लोकल एनेस्थेसिया हमने किया है, इसलिए जो भी लीगल प्रोसीजर है विल वेट फॉर दैट रिजल्ट्स। वी आर वेलकमिंग द पुलिस की जो भी प्रोसीजर है हम फॉलो करेंगे, बट इट वाज जस्ट अ मेडिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशन दैट कैन ऑकर 1 in 1 lakh चिल्ड्रन। ऐसे केसेस होते हैं।
वजह ये रही, मैं मथुरा से जा रहा था जयपुर के लिए। जयपुर साइड से गाड़ी आ रही थी, लाल सोड़ थोड़ा उस पे कट पे उसने गाड़ी सामने देखा नहीं, दूसरी रोड पे अचानक मोड़ दी। अपनी लाइन में था, लिमिट स्पीड थी मेरी 90-95 स्पीड थी, कोई फास्ट नहीं था मैं। उसने सामने देखा नहीं और बीच में घुस गया।
रात को एक मर्सिडीज गाड़ी और एक अल्टो गाड़ी में एक्सीडेंट हुआ था अपने मिडवे के सामने। तो उसमें अल्टो गाड़ी में जो 5 मजरूब थे वो घायल हो गए थे, और मर्सिडीज गाड़ी के अंदर हेमा मालिनी जी जो राज्यसभा सांसद है वो घायल हो गए थे। तो उनका जयपुर में इलाज फोर्टिस हॉस्पिटल में हुआ था, और वो जो 5 अल्टो गाड़ी मजरूब थे उनका इलाज अपने 2 सरकारी हॉस्पिटल में हुआ था। तो उसमें एक बच्ची थी 4 साल की, उसकी मृत्यु हो गई थी, और एक वो लड़का था और उसकी मदर को कर दिया जयपुर पर रात को। फिर लेट नाइट दोनों उस जो हनुमान था उसको और सीमा उसकी भाभी थी, उन दोनों को भी रात को जयपुर रेफर कर दिया था, चारों को जयपुर रेफर कर दिया।
Well, while Hema Malini is recuperating, there's a larger tragedy that has taken place yesterday. In the same accident on the Agra-Jaipur National Highway 11 near Dausa, resulted in the death of a child and left others badly injured in a car. The family of 4 was on its way to Lalsot from Jaipur. Hanuman Khandelwal was travelling with his wife and 2 children when the accident took place. His 2-year-old daughter was killed in the accident while he himself and his wife were injured. Even as we speak, his 5-year-old son is battling for life.
दोसा में जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था हेमा मालिनी जी की कार को और जो एल्टो कार के अंदर, उसके बाद एक बच्ची की तो ऑन द स्पॉट डेथ हो गई थी, और 2 पेशेंट हमारे यहाँ रेफर हुए ट्रोमा सेंटर के अंदर। उसमें एक तो 27 साल की शिखा फीमेल है, और उसी बच्चे की उन्हीं की एक बच्चा है जो साहिल करके 6 साल का। अभी बच्चे के दोनों पैर के अंदर फ्रैक्चर है, थोड़ा बहुत उसको मुंह के ऊपर चोट आई है। सीटी स्कैन को देखते हुए न्यूरोसर्जन्स ने हेड इंजरी का एलिमेंट रूल आउट कर लिया है। फिर भी ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए और बच्चे की कंडीशन को देखते हुए आईसीयू के अंदर उसको रखा गया है। मदर जो है उसको फेस
से बहुत तेज गाड़ी आई, मुझे टक्कर हो गई।
कैसे हुई टक्कर? इसके आप कहाँ चल रहे थे? साइड में चल रहे थे? सामने
मैं तो पीछे बैठी थी, गाड़ी चला रहे थे, एकदम से टक्कर हो गई। बिल्कुल स्मूथ गाड़ी चल रही थी हमारी, तो तेज भी नहीं थी, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे गाड़ी थी।
दोसा में जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था हेमा मालिनी जी की कार को और जो एल्टो कार के अंदर, उसके बाद एक बच्ची की तो ऑन द स्पॉट डेथ हो गई थी, और 2 पेशेंट हमारे यहाँ रेफर हुए ट्रोमा सेंटर के अंदर। उसमें एक तो 27 साल की शिखा फीमेल है, और उसी बच्चे की उन्हीं की एक बच्चा है जो साहिल करके 6 साल का। अभी बच्चे के दोनों पैर के अंदर फ्रैक्चर है, थोड़ा बहुत उसको मुंह के ऊपर चोट आई है। सीटी स्कैन को देखते हुए न्यूरोसर्जन्स ने हेड इंजरी का एलिमेंट रूल आउट कर लिया है। फिर भी ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए और बच्चे की कंडीशन को देखते हुए आईसीयू के अंदर उसको रखा गया है। मदर जो है उसको फेस पर
Let's get the latest update on the story. Smita Sharma, my colleague, is joining us live from Jaipur. There, Smita, you're at the hospital where both Hema Malini as well as that 5-year-old boy is admitted. Tragically, the 2-year-old girl died on the spot in the accident which took place yesterday. Would you give us the latest details on the health condition of the 5-year-old boy who's still battling for life?
Well, as far as Somil is concerned, what we are learning is that there are no head injuries. At least that has been ruled out, and he's been kept under observation. But his condition is reportedly more stable than it was last night when he was brought in into, of course, that emergency ward at the Savai Mansingh Hospital, which is at some distance from the Fortis Hospital where Hema Malini is, where I am at the moment. But in fact, media persons were shown a glimpse of this boy who is still at the ICU. He's a little boy. Obviously, you know, these are very sharp and deep injuries. He will take a lot of time to recuperate. But for now, he's considered to be stable. The mother, Shikha, is clearly in a state of trauma. She was conscious for some minutes last evening. Since this morning, she has essentially been sleeping or, you know, not in a position really to talk to people. She has sustained several injuries of her own. She has a collarbone fracture as well. And she's still not been told that, you know, she has lost her young girl, Shimi, who died at the very tender age of 2. So it's a traumatic moment for this family, for the father, Hanuman, who of course went and who gave that police statement and who alleged that it was really the vehicle, that Mercedes in which Hema Malini was taking that ride, that it was that car that oversped at a midway U-turn point on that highway when this family was headed towards Lalsot, while Hema Malini was headed towards Jaipur from Dausa. Preeti?
You know, Smita, there have been various contradictory reports that have been filtering in from last night on this particular incident. Was there delay in arresting the driver of Hema Malini in this particular case? Earlier on, there were also reports that the family is now asking for compensation. Any clarity on that?
Well, you know, this compensation comment is really a comment that has been given by an extended relative, because remember, this little girl's post-mortem and the other, in fact, formalities are being conducted in Dausa itself. But as far as the immediate family is concerned, they are in a state of trauma and there's no way that there can be a question of compensation at this point. And also, Vasundhara Raje, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, visited this family in Savai Mansingh Hospital just a short while ago, and she's in fact now headed to Fortis Hospital, where she's expected to call on Hema Malini also. So there is really no question of compensation at the moment. This was an offbeat comment made by some distant relative really of this little girl, perhaps more as a lead-in question asked by a correspondent, to which this person had replied. But as far as the driver is concerned, he's 35-year-old Mahesh Thakur. Reportedly, he is from Varanasi. He was driving this car with a Haryana number registration plate. But yesterday, remember, he also had sustained minor injuries. So he was first brought in for a medical checkup, and then last night he was sent to Dausa. And this morning he was arrested in. Police, of course, have registered various sections of negligent driving, of rash driving, including 304A, which is culpable homicide not amounting to murder.